You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more names of players from the NFL that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to watch. Jake Bobo, how to pronounce English pronunciation, American NFL football player, Seattle Seahawks, Jake Bobo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.